This is the Milwaukee 18V impact wrench. The set comes with an impact wrench with two 5Ah batteries that are 18V from Milwaukee. It also comes with a rapid charger that is able to charge both 18V as well as 12V batteries from the Milwaukee system. The impact wrench weighs 1.82 kg and it's only 127 mm to allow you to work in tight spaces. It comes with a 1/2-inch square drive with a friction ring on the anvil to allow you for quick interchangeability of sockets. There are 4 modes for the Milwaukee impact wrench. The first mode is up to 102 Nm of torque, the second mode up to 203 Nm of torque, and the third mode up to 339 Nm of torque. There is also a fourth mode that allows you to set and balance equipment before further tightening. When the tool is in operation, there are also 3 LED lights that allow you to illuminate dark spaces and the area you are working on. This tool is excellent for work on passenger vehicles where you require to remove wheel nuts, or in the civil engineering sector where you need to balance flanges. It also can be used to remove tough bolts from mechanical pieces as well as tighten bolts in compact areas. Shop at President Trading for the best tools and service.